Yeah, hello guys. As you can see, this one typically examination question. This is for vector 2. This is another question for vector 2. So as you can see, you'll be given a triangle like this, and this information which is saying in the diagram A is the midpoint of AC, full stop. N lies on BC, N lies on BC, as you can see, such that Bn is equals to 1 over 3 BC. AB equals to A, and like as you can see, AB is equals to A, and AC, like AC, equal to B, as you can see. So before I go further, I want to do some basic example. As you can see, like we are given in vectors, let's say we are given something like this, then this is here, it is written P, Q, and R. Let's say they say that express QR, something, express QR in terms of something. You maybe you're given letters here, but I'm not writing them. Let's say maybe you're given letters here. So if you need to express this QR, if you want to express this QR, you start from this point. So you have to know that vectors, they move in a direction, like, so you use this direction and this direction, starting from Q. As you can see, we're starting from Q up to R. So it's Q, so it will be QP, like QP plus PR, as you can see. Let's say you are given another let's say, let me write in a straight line like this. Then let's say there's point, there's this point, there's this point, there's this point. Then here it's point A, point B, point C, and point D, as you can see. Then I put my arrows here, showing the direction. Then you're saying that then it's written that express AD in terms of maybe their values, which will be here. There will be values which here. So to express AD, all you have to do, AD, you're starting from A to D. So it's AB. So you say AB plus BC plus CD as you can see. Like your starting point AB plus BC plus CD, as you can see here. I think now it is clear. Then we are now going to our question now. Right, they're saying that in the diagram, M is the midpoint of AC, N lies on BC such that BN is equal to 1 over 3 BC, AB is equal to A, AB is equal to A, and AC is equal to B, AC is equal to B, small letter B, this one, as you can see. So here they are saying express in terms of A, and or B. BC, our first question is BC. So in the expression of BC here, BC, right, BC, as you can see, BC is this one, BC is this one. So what I've said before is that BC, you are starting from B, so it's BA and BA plus AC. So it's BA plus AC, like here, as you can see. So BA, as you can see that our magnitude of this of AB is A, But now we want AB, we want BA, So we are opposing the direction vector. So it will be negative A here, negative A. As you can see, the arrow is pointing to the right, but you are moving to what? To the left. So it's a negative. Plus AC, which is we are going the same direction. So it's a smaller B. So here it's B minus A. This is our answer for BC. So now we can go to BN. Like BN. If you look at our this information, BN is equal to 1 over 3 BC, as you can see. So you have to be careful in vectors. You have to look for any information you will be given. So BN is equal to 1 over 3 BC. Okay, so you are supposed to find BN. So we have already an expression here which is saying BN is equal to 1 over 3 BC. So we use this one, this expression, so like what I'm doing here. So 1 over 3 BC, we've already calculated BC here, as you can see, B minus A. So you just substitute here B minus A. Then you break the bracket, the answer will be now B over 3 minus A over 3, as you can see now, guys. So I'm going now to AN. I'm going to work it out here. It will be question 3, like AN. So if you look here, AN, now using here there's no any information for AN, as you can see. So we are using the direction vectors. So AN is now AB plus BN. We are using this triangle. So it will be AB. Okay, sorry. Here is AB plus BN, as you can see here. So AB is a small letter A. So write in small letter A here. Plus BN we've already calculated it here. As you can see, BN, this B, you are using our BN, this one. So you substitute this number. You put this number here. This value, put this expression, I mean. So it will be B minus 3 minus A over 3. So now we group the like terms. We're grouping the like terms. It's A minus A over 3 plus B over 3. This one, it will be like over 1 here. 3. Now 3A minus A plus B over 3. 2A over 3 plus B over 3. This is our answer for AN. This is our answer for AN. Now we are moving to BM. Moving to BM. As you can see, where is our BM? Our BM is this one. BM. So BM, we use the direction BA plus AM. So you go here, say BA plus AM. Here BA, it's a negative A because you are opposing the direction of AB. So it's negative A here. Negative A plus AM. Now we want to know the value of AM here, because we are not giving the value of AM. We are only giving the value of what? Of AC, which is the small letter B here. So if you go into our information here, they're saying that in the diagram, M is the midpoint of AC. So which means M is on the midpoint of what? Of AC. So which means that our AM is half this. Our AM is half the distance of what? Of AC. So it will be B over 2. We are using this. B is representing all this. B is representing this whole distance. So it will be B over 2 here. So it'll be B over 2 here. So our answer, we start by writing maybe the positive B over 2 minus A. This is our answer for BM, as you can see. Then we move on to we are now on question B. They are given that BX is equals HBM. Express AX in terms of A, B, and H. So we start by finding the expression for this one, which is BX is equals to HBM. BM we have already calculated it here, as you can see. So just put back that BM. So I'm set by writing that BM. So it's B over 2 minus A. Then I'll write my what? My H. Then I'll break the bracket, which will equal to HB over 2 minus AH. Yeah. This by this. Now I've expressed my BX. So I have to calculate what? Express AX. I have to express my AX here. So, yeah. So I'll go here. AX. Now AX is AB plus BY plus BX. As you can see, our AB plus BX. So AB plus BX. As you can see it here. So AB that's an A, because we are not opposing the we are going with the same direction with this magnitude of A. So this multi A. So write our A here. Plus BX, this one. Write our BX. We have already calculated our BX. So it's HB over 2 minus AH. Then I'll group the left terms. They are not in the left terms, but I'm grouping the terms with A. So I'll say A minus AH plus HB over 2. Then I'll factor out A here. That would be 1 minus H A. I factor out my A in this expression plus HB over 2. This is my answer for AX. This is now my answer for AX. Then I'm moving to part C. Part C, they are saying that given also that AX equals to KAN. Express AX in terms of A, B, and K. So AX, I'll write this one next. This is expression AX equals to, write it here. AX equal to KAN, like this one. So if you see, if you look here, you can see that I've already calculated AN. So you're gonna use the answer for AN to put it here, to express it in terms of what? In terms of A, B, and K. So if I come here, I just do like this. I put my AN here, 2A over 3 plus B over 3 K. Then I will break the bracket. 2AK over 3 plus BK over 3. This is my answer for AX. I now expressed in terms of A, B, and K, as you can see. Now I'm moving to part D. Let me divide my paper like this. So my part D now here. They're saying that using the results of A and B, using the results of B and C, find the values of H and find the value of H and K. So using the result of B and C, if I come here, B, the result for B, the result for B, this is the result of for B, so which means this will be my equation. Then result of for C, I'm using this equation, so I will say AX is equals to AX. Your answer on B should be equal to your answer on C. That's how you express your expression here. Like here, AX equals to AX. Remember, this BX was not our question. Our question here was to express AX in terms of A, B, and H. So I use this AX and another this AX. So AX equals to AX. So my answer for this first AX is this one. So I write it here. I'll write it here. 1 minus H. 1 minus H. A plus H B over 2 equals, I write my another here, minus answer 2AK over 3 plus BK over 3. 2AK over 3 plus BK over 3. Right. Now I'm here. So what I have to do now is like I have to check every term which is a letter A first. Every term which is a letter A, this whole term, there's a letter A. At the left hand side, this only thing is the term with the letter A. So I'll write this here first. It's 1 minus H. Then I don't write my A big. I only just check for the letters of A and B, so that I can left with H and K only on my equation, which we want to work out. So equals to, then this one is the term with the letter A. Yes, you can see this is the letter A. So it's 2K over 3. 2K over 3. So this will be my equation 1. This will be my equation 1. So I'm calculating. So for H, for then we have a letter B here on the left hand side and right hand side. So I want to remove it. So I will check my terms with the letter B again. So this one, H over 2 equals to this one is K over 3. K over 3. This will be my equation 2. As you can see, equation 1. Now is equation 1 and equation 2. So I will start by making the substitute formula for this one. I'll make H the substitute formula on this one. So H over 2 is equals to K. Is equals to K over 3, like this. Then I'll cross multiply. 3H is equals to 2K. Then I will cross multiply this and this. So I divide both sides by 3. So my H is now equal to 2 over 3 K, as you can see. Then I'll substitute this. There's my value of H I found. I'll substitute into my equation, this one. So it will be now 1 minus 2 over 3 K equals to 2 over 3 K. I'm using equation 1. I'm using equation 1, guys. So I'll group the left terms. 1 equals to 2 over 3 K. This one is jump the equal sign, so it will be now plus 2 over 3 K. If I add the numerators, I'll get 4 over 3 K. This one is the same as like it's over 1. Then I cross multiply. 3 is equals to 4K. I divide both sides by 4. So K is equals to 3 quarters, as you can see. Then I'm now want to find the value of H now, as you can see. So to find the value of H, I'll just substitute the value of K into this equation, into equation 1. So 1 minus H equals to 2 over 3 multiply. This is now we are multiplying this K. The value of K. So 3 over 4. So I'll just cancel this one. I'll cancel this 2 here. So 1 minus H is equals to, this one is equals to half. It's just now a half. So I will left the H on its own side. So let's say H is equals to 1 minus half. So h is equals to 1 minus, so it is remains like a 2 over 2 minus half. So h is equals to half. So therefore h is equals to half and k is equals to 3/4. This is how we tackle the vector question, guys. So if you like the video, guys, like the videos and then subscribe for more videos. Thank you.